The new horizontal Venturi socket from ANRIN is versatile in use and completes the ANRIN drainage system. The new horizontal Venturi socket is used in sump units, yard sumps and end caps. It is resistant to clogging and, unlike conventional siphons, the complete drainage of water prevents frost damage. The proven shutter flap, already used in the vertical Venturi socket, is now also applied horizontally. With the installation in end caps, sump units and yard sumps, odors are retained. Additionally, the flap stops various small animals from entering. Of course, the renowned self-cleaning feature and protection against frost damage are once again guaranteed. The Venturi socket. ANRIN, leading water.